Hi, I'm Jane. I'm a member of CERA's Consumer Advisory Group. At the CERA Group, we know that involving people with lived experience as research partners is central to guiding research towards what matters most to people in the impacted community. You can be involved at any stage of a research project, whether it's at the start, at the outset, helping sharpen the focus for researchers, or coming up with ways to invite people into research projects, or even translating materials, research materials, so they're more accessible to the audience that they're made for.
Hi, my name is Shane Somerville and I'm a consumer partner for the Centre of Eye Research Australia. As a consumer partner, I've been involved with a fantastic project which looks at how information can be more accessible to people with disabilities. In my case, it's vision loss. The group that we've been involved with, there's 12 of us who are across the country and all have varying differences of vision. We all have different lived experiences, and what that brings is a wealth of different information and experiences that can channel itself into a really great outcome, and then using those experiences to make things better for the future.
Hi, my name's Carmel and I'm involved in the consumer group with CERA. People use lots of terms: consumer, lived experience partner, research partner. All of them mean the same. It means that researchers can gain important insights from the patients who actually have the eye condition that they are researching. It's not just the science that's important. It's important to have a relationship so that the patients can share their thoughts, experiences, their emotions, can actually be real partners in the research process.
Hello, my name is Colleen Lewis and I'm a member of the Consumer Advisory Committee at CERA. Both researcher and consumer have the same common goal. Think about contributing if you are a consumer, because you have so much to offer and you can feel confident that your opinions will be respected and listened to.
My name is Leah and I am the Chief Operating Officer. The Centre for Eye Research Australia, also known as CERA, is a world leader in ophthalmic research. So CERA has research programs that span discovery research in laboratories through to assessing new therapies through world-leading clinical trials.
So as a group, we came together a number of times to work on content creation and how that could be improved, and then working as a consultant almost as to the project team, which was great because then we got to look at the outcome of that, and then you feel like you've actually delivered something yourself because your words are being put in there, or your ideas that you've come up with. So that's exciting to see what you've suggested coming into life. And also what I really loved was, there's going to be a paper produced and all our names are co-authors of that, so that's just great.
One of the things that often happens in relationships with consumers and researchers is that the consumers are not clear about how much detail they ought to share. It's really important that you share anything that you feel might be relevant. The researchers are busy, but they will gain insights. You are important, and it is really vital that you think carefully about what it is that you can offer to the research process. Really feel comfortable in sharing. The researchers and the consumers are really quite different. They come with different backgrounds and different experiences. We have the science, and then we have the experience of living with the eye condition that's being researched. Now, it's really important for consumers to realise how vital they are to the research process. It is important to share whatever you think is important and feel comfortable doing it. Even details that you think might be unimportant might actually bring fresh insights to the researcher involved in the process.
You control how much you share. If you're in a position where, your experience is still hurting, it's still very raw, you might not be in a position to share a lot of details. You have to control that. Definitely ask the researchers to explain complex language and concepts. If they can't explain their research, then they're never going to be able to translate it to normal, everyday people who are designed to benefit from that research findings. Ask for what you need. You are a consumer equal partner in the research project. You're there for a reason. If you need particular things, if you have disability or difference and you need things done a bit differently, ask for it. Ask for it up front. I need this.
Hi, I'm Flora Hugh, and I'm a research fellow here at CERA. Having consumer partner feedback has been really important to us, and it's made us stop and actually think about what we want to ask and why we want to ask it. We have 3 people with lived experience currently on our project team, which means there's 3 very different lived experiences that we can learn from.
Hi, I'm Jesse Gardner-Russell. I'm a third-year PhD candidate at the Centre for Eye Research Australia, studying in the Visual Neurovascular Unit. Now, it really gave me a lot more motivation because I could sort of see where it would help people and how it could potentially help them, and it sort of turned it from not just experimentally exciting, but just exciting on a more personal, human level. And it's definitely given me a lot more direction for my last couple of years of my PhD. The real benefit for the community to work with basic researchers is that when we are thinking about our research and sort of the direction it's heading in, and when we're designing our projects, having that consumer voice and involvement enables us to sort of bake in some of the community needs into our work. And so I think it's really important for us to work together on that.
If you're interested in working with us, you'll be provided with an orientation program and coaching sessions where you'll learn more about our research and also meet our team. You'll be provided with development opportunities to learn new skills, and we'll be able to give you information in formats that are accessible to you.
As a consumer partner, it is a journey for all of us. And the researchers are very, very keen to hear your story and mine. So don't be afraid. What we have here is a unique opportunity to help this important research and to be part of a great team. And I'm looking forward to telling my story, and I look forward to hopefully hearing one of yours.
My message, I guess, is to please come join as a consumer and contribute to finding that cure that we all want.
We've deeply valued the opportunity to work with our partners, and we're really excited to see where the journey leads together.
Working together, we can design more meaningful research that delivers benefit to all.